Thank you for checking out our video. Today we're just combining some random shots from Atlanta to Aruba and other places such as Gatlinburg, Tennessee, Bonaire, and so on. Please like, share, and subscribe. First on our list is a sunrise near Douglasville, Georgia early in the morning. This is I-20 above Arbor Place Mall in Douglasville, Georgia. Next up we have a great aerial shot of the Great Smoky Mountains, which is in the Pigeon, Forge, and Gatlinburg, Tennessee area. Next up is the Conecuh National Forest, which borders Alabama and Florida. Here's footage of a thunderstorm brewing in West Palm Beach, Florida. Next up is Westpoint Lake and Dam, which is a man-made reservoir located mostly in west central Georgia on the Chattooga River. It is maintained by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. Next on the list is the Pensacola Bridge in Pensacola, Florida. These repairs were being performed after Hurricane Sally devastated the area. And just on the other side is a popular fishing area next to the Pensacola Bridge. Of course, this is someone landing a drone. Next we have Bonaire in the Dutch Antilles Islands. And of course, Frank and Gina says hello to everyone. Moving right along to one of the most beautiful places on earth, Aruba. And here are some beautiful sights of the Chattooga River, which borders Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina. Next we have the beautiful shores of Panama City, Florida. The turquoise water and the sandy white beaches make it a favorite for tourists. And of course, here I am hand landing the drone. I would highly recommend practicing this before attempting it. And finally, we have Aruba's natural bridge, which is naturally eroded over thousands of years. It's a beautiful sight. Well, we hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Stay safe, and God bless. Video Fit Solutions out.